Hey, what do we got here? Pinpointers galore. These are three good ones here. We're gonna review which one actually hits the deepest. Be right back. How's it going, everybody? Joey back again doing another review for you. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at a couple of pinpointers. I have three of them here that I've narrowed down my usage to. Of all the ones that I've played with, I found that these were the ones that I liked the most. And today we're primarily going to take a look at which one gets the best depth. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Tek-Point by Teknetics, the Garrett AT Propointer, and then the XP Mi-4. Each of these guys are awesome in their own respects. They sound different, they work differently inside mineralized soil, and you know, everybody's outcomes will vary based on your soil condition and where you're at and what target you're looking for. But basically what I want to do is I want to show you how these guys in maximum sensitivity can find an object, and we're going to be setting it up right here in this little test not a test bed, but a test podium that I have set up. And in here I have a quarter, and then right here I've got a bag of a sock filled with rice, which is approximately 2 to 3 inches high, about 2.5 inches high. And we're going to go ahead and see how these guys actually perform inside that bed. Alright, so I'm going to swap this up, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and give this test a start right now. First runner-up, XP Mi-4, and we're going to cut it on, and we're going to set the sensitivity level to 3, which is the max, okay? So power it on. One, two, three. We're going to let it set, shut it off, then we're going to cut it back on and come for the test. Now I know, there we go. There we go. We just give some of that rice a pash, a little bit of a pushing on that rice. Not over there, not around there, but right there. So yeah, you get it right over the target, it will fire for you. Alright. Just back on there again. Alright, so Mi-4. Can't find it. Next runner-up, we're going to have the Garrett Propointer AT. Let's fire it up. We're going to set the sensitivity to 3. It's already on 3, but we're going to do audio 1, 2, 3, and vibrate. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. So it's set. Now it's set. Cutting it off. And then we're going to go ahead and power it back on and give it a run. Alright guys, so this is what I experience when I'm at the park too, man, is that the Garrett does not really go too deep in density, as far as like, you know, when the ground is densely packed. And like I said, this is with the rice that's inside of there, and it's about 2.5 inches above the coin, right? And then there's the rice. And this is why, guys, those air tests are kind of weak, man, because if there's really no substance between the pointer or the detector and the target, those air tests really don't mean crap. It's got to have something in between. You know what I mean? All right, so Garrett didn't do well in that round. We'll come back to it. Next one up here is going to be Tek-Point by Teknetics. Let's give this one a run. Okay, and let's set this one up to level 3. Okay, it's already on 3. 1, 2, 3 and just audio. 1, 2, 3 and just vibrate. I want audio and vibrate. 1, 2. Alright, so it's at full 3. We're going to let it set. Turn it off. Okay. We're going to cut it back on. And we're going to go ahead and try it again here. Now this right here, man, the Tek-Point being pulse induction, look, it's firing above the sock. No problem at all. No problem letting you know that it's there. Right? All right, need I say more? Tek-Point. It's okay. So let's run through it again. We're gonna go ahead and get the XP. Hitting anything here. Nothing. Ah, there we go. There it goes. XP likes it back there. But there you go. It does hit it. All right. So XP is doing it for you. Garrett, come on, Garrett. Paid 129 bucks for you, man. Help me out, dude. Dude, come on, Garrett. You're supposed to be the king of the hill. Huh? All the guys in the UK rave about you, man. Paid 129 bucks for this guy. Come on, man. I'm not getting it, guys. You're seeing it right there, dude. Not getting it at all. Tek-Point. I'm getting it on the Tek-Point. So guys, I hope this helps you a little bit, because the whole point of these pinpointers, the whole point of having them is the detector tells you when that it's on the ground, in the ground, right? And then your pinpointer is supposed to help you pinpoint to exactly where, because you want to keep your holes, you want to keep your plugs relatively small. I'm in Las Vegas and my parks have land keepers or ground keepers that maintain the property, and they ride around all day long on golf carts and they take a look, man, and if you're out there digging up holes, they're going to consider that park damage, okay? They own it, they maintain it, they don't want to see guys out there with shovels digging holes in their ground, so you've got to be very, very low-key and, you know, clandestine about how you cut your plugs. And if you can cut them small like this, just cut exactly where you need to go, you're going to be able to pinpoint your target, be more accurate with your target, and pull more targets out with a productive and accurate pinpointer. So anyways, guys, I hope this helps. I'm not saying that the Garrett is not bad. The Garrett is a very durable, waterproof detector, and I probably trust this more than any other one. When it comes to rain or being in the stream or on the beach, I would trust all this. These other guys, they say that they are waterproof, but I don't know. I haven't taken them down there. I know for a fact this guy is good in wet, and I would trust it inside there. The Tek-Point says that it is also waterproof, whatever. I mean, I don't see no speaker on this thing that has a hole in it. I haven't tested it in there, but each and every one of these pinpointers, they all have something really good about them. I'm going to do a review on each one of these pinpointers and point out the pros and cons of each one. But for absolute depth, I'm going to go with, like, number 1, the Tek-Point, number 2, the XP, and then number 3, Garrett. Now, the difference between the two is this Tek-Point is a pulse induction. These other guys are BLF, which are different. They use a different type of a technology in order to penetrate than this one right here. But that's my review, guys. I hope this helps somebody out there in making a decision on what product you want to buy, which one of these guys. I love these 3. I've tried them all, and these are the ones that I'm keeping. And hopefully this will help you make a determination as to which one you want to pick up. And if it helps you out, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me how I helped you out, okay? You guys be safe out there. Stay well.